they eat, make una dey listen, they watch wetin dey happen. This is the time you people are waiting for. I am here now to treat you people. You know, English is not our language, so that was the tire me. As a person that got honor for PhD, being recognized in UK, the only Nigerian being given PhD for pidgin English is now to entertain you people. So a round of applause for me. If you can't clap for me, I will clap for you. Yes. Any pastor in the house? No. If there's pastor in the house, raise up your hand. I'm a Nigerian actor, a comedian, and an entertainer. So this time around, if you don't have money, go to Cash Point. There is wall everywhere. Go and press. Money will come out. I'm now to entertain you. Just watch out and see what will happen. This is the moment you people are waiting for. My name is Kingsley Ikenna Alao from Omonami, Ihala local government area. I'm not hidden. I'm a linguistic. I speak all languages. If you speak French, I am there. If you speak Italian, I am there.